So we are right now here at the Rose Bowl. Hope is flying around and there's so many nice people who are just like wanting to see Hope and watch him fly, and he's having a blast. Yeah, so let's go around and see people's reaction, how they react when Hope flies. Yeah, he's just playing. 1, 2, 3, good boy. And he's free flight trained. That means he flies and he comes back on command. Yeah.
It is so cool.
Thank you. Oh, likes to do tricks. Hi, baby. Do you want to do a trick? You want to show what you can do? Okay. 1, 2, 3, and go.
Awesome.
Good boy.
That is so cool.
Right? He's 16. Good boy. Cool. Yeah, so you're a bird person.
Oh yeah, I love birds.
They can do so much more. They are so smart.
Oh, well, would you mind if I take a video?
No, go ahead.
Oh, thank you.
I'm videoing this all the time. I have so much videos. Come. Oh, whoa. And he likes to chase dogs. Oh, he's having fun. He's a little show off too. Come on. Ah, did you just show off? Good boy.
I've never seen him this friendly.
Wait, will he bite my phone or something?
Nah, he
Wouldn't
won't
go
bite.
too close.
Don't go too close.
That's cool. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
That is so cool. Don't worry, I'm not gonna post it or anything.
Everyone's so into dogs and cats, but your bird's doing.
Birds are better. That's my thing. I love birds.
Me too. There's a whole big bird community on Facebook actually. Yeah.
I've seen birds do something like that on a cage or on,
But not outdoors.
but not in the outdoors.
Hi, I'm good.
Thank you for letting us see your bird.
Oh, no worries. Thanks for coming up here. His name is Hope. Hope. Yeah, he's still a baby.
Is he?
Yeah. He's 16 months old.
Oh, that is beautiful.
Thank you.
So funny.
He is a little clown. And then after flying, he's just like really playful. He just wants to play and cuddle. Yeah. So, what do you guys think?
He's very cute and pretty, yeah.
Thank
Very
you.
colorful.
Yes, he is. Very colorful. Very smart too.
Yeah.
You guys have birds?
No.
No. You guys like birds too?
Like watching them. We had the wild parrots coming this way a lot.
Yeah.
The squawkers, I call them.
I call them drama queens.
Oh, yes. But they always find twos also.
Yeah, they're always in pairs. Now this is with birds. When they find a soulmate, they will stick together till death.
Yeah.
They will never divorce or like have drama. They will just raise kids and just be together all the time.
Yeah, there's a
Fine.
pair of parrots in your boundary.
Thank you. Stay here, Hopi. Whoa! He doesn't want to go. I know, you want to fly. He's still young. Thank you.
I understand they're very loyal, loving.
Oh yeah. It's like a bonding thing, like an imprint thing. Once they love, they'll love forever.
Oh, that is so cool.
Yeah. Go. Good boy.
Look how pretty the bird is. Come here.
Yeah, not too close because he might get spooked. And we don't want him to land on you guys. Thank you. 1, 2, 3.
Oh,
Good.
pretty bird.
Thank you. His name is Hope.
Hope?
Uh-huh.
Hope.
Hope.
Hope? Yeah.
Yeah. Go fly. 1, 2, 3, go.
Beautiful
Thank you. You want to come in? Ready?
Hummingbird.
You never raised a hummingbird before. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, go. Yay! Good boy. Oh. Okay, ready, set, go. Oh, I think Hope is cheating. Around the ball. Good job. Come on, Andrew. And come back. Come back. Go get him. Go get him. Go get him. And come back. Quick. Go. Oh, I think Hope won.
Good job.
Good job. You're welcome. You're welcome.
Evening.
You too. Bye.
Thank you.
Go. Good job. Was that fun?
Finally, first place.
Was that a hobby or do you just heard?
Oh, it's just a hobby. I'm his trainer and his mom. I got him when he's right now 16 months old. And I had him since he was 7 or 8 weeks.
Oh wow.
Yeah. Go fly. Good boy. Yeah, free flying is really rare. Good boy. Free flying parrot, free flying. But it's fun. His name is Hope.
Hello.
He's 16 months old.
16?
Yeah.
He's such a good trained parrot.
Thank you. Don't touch him. He might bite you. And then
Hello.
don't have a finger.
Hello.
Say hello. Ah! Oh.
He's so tail so long.
I know. He's a macaw. What? What, baby? She wants to see you. 'Cause you're so beautiful. You're so beautiful. I think he freaks out because you're too close. Yeah. He likes his space.
How much wingspan is he? Like a foot?
Probably a meter, which is like, yeah. Ow! Oh! Something just spooked him.
There you go. Can I tell you something?
Oh! Oh! Come on, baby! Come on, Hoppy! Good boy! Mwah! Yes, they're both parrots. This is a lorikeet parrot and he's a macaw parrot. They're both parrots. What?
I wonder if they popular with
Yes, they do. Hey, Hope, you want to go fly? So his name is Hope and the little one name is Angel. Hope and Angel. They're brothers. Oh, this is cold. Are you guys not cold in t-shirt? Hey, Hoppy, you want to see him fly? Look, he's doing tricks. Okay, wait, he's standing up. 1, 2, 3. Good, and now go fly. 1, 2, 3, go. Good boy, go fly. Go fly. Oh.
Did something. I want to
Good. Good. Oh! It's a hybrid between a scarlet and a blue and gold.
Wow. Yeah, the feathers are just gorgeous.
Thank you.
Gorgeous. What's his name?
His name is Hope.
Hope.
Hopey.
Hope.
Hopey. He's free fly trained too. Hey, Hope, let's go fly. Come on.
He's what?
Free fly trained. Thank you.
So gorgeous. He's a hybrid.
He's a hybrid. I had him since he was a baby and he still is a baby. Okay, go fly. Go fly. Good boy.
He's so gorgeous.
Oh my god. Oh, are you Hope right?
Come on, baby. Come on.
Oh
Come
my
on.
god, that is so
He's a character. He teased the dogs to death.
He does.
Hope, you're so funny.
He teased dogs, he chased dogs, he wants to be chased. Oh! And he do tricks. You want to do a trick? Oh! You want to go fly? You want to go fly, Hoppy? He wants to play. After flying, he's just playful. Hi, baby.
so cute.
Okay, Hopi, let's go fly. Come on. 1, 2, 3, go.
He probably loves flying.
Yeah. Good boy. Come. Yeah, Catalina
I
macaw.
wondered because the tail feathers are long. So,
And go. Uh-huh.
Wow, he's like a dragon.
Yeah, that's what I think too. My little pet dragon. Yeah, boys, you want to see him?
Oh, guys, be careful.
Just don't touch him. He might bite.
Yeah, he cut. But look how beautiful. Is it a he or she?
It's a he. He's a boy.
Beautiful. Do you have a name?
Huh?
Do you have a name?
His name is Hope.
Hope.
Hope. Yeah.
Look at him. He's playing.
All right.
He's playing.
Okay, Hopi, go fly. 1, 2, 3, go. Uh-huh.
Oh,
Oh.
yelled at the dog. That was hilarious.
Come on, baby. Come on, baby.
oh.
Oh.
Tough with those dogs.
He likes to chase dogs too.
Wow.
Hopi, do you want a pecan?
Baby dragon.
Want a little?
So amazing.
Want a little nut? Good boy. Hi. Good. So this is Hope. He's 16 months old. He's
He's only 16 months old?
yeah. He's a Catalina macaw. Right? Go fly. Yeah, every time.
Did you have to train him?
Of course.
What did you do the first time you let him go on his own?
It was scary because you have to trust him and he has to trust you. And his love to you has to be bigger than his want to go freedom.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Okay, are you ready? You had one fly away and not come back?
Oh, well, I lost him when he was, there's a video, I lost my parrot on YouTube. I lost him when he was, I think like 8 months old because ravens came and chased him away and he was lost in the desert. Go fly!
For how long?
Officially 3 hours, but it was so scary.
The longest 3 hours of your life?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Oh.
He's a little show off.
Yes, he is.
He likes to ditch.
Flyby of my head.
He likes to ditch people
So
too.
you were in the desert.
Google on YouTube, I lost my parrot. It has like 22 or 23,000 views.
Okay.
Come on, baby.
Story. Do you bring all of them out here? Or just...
Oh, yeah. You did this before. Okay, go fly. 1, 2, 3, go.
Wow.
Yeah, he's very trusting.
I like this.
Hi. 1, 2, 3. Ah, nice. 1, 2, 3.
Do birds pull or try to bite?
Logan, will you upload these videos later? Is that what you're doing?
Yeah, on YouTube, on my YouTube channel. I have a lot of videos on my YouTube channel. I'm flying, fly dates. Right, baby?
Did it say
So
something?
neat watching him eat.
Yeah, he drinks too. He says hello. Yeah. Hi guys. Good boy, Hopi. How are you?
This is Katie MRC. She's my friend.
Oh,
He
okay.
said I came late because he asked you apparently these questions. Thank you for answering.
No, no
How much
worries.
does he weigh?
We just weighed him. He's 930 grams. You want a pine nut?
Not really.
You want a pine nut? Here we go. Here we go.
How old is he?
He's 16 months old. Yeah. He's just eating a pine nut treat. You guys like him? Yeah? What do you think? Thank you. He's smart too. Have you ever seen a bird like this? Yeah? He is a parrot. He started saying hello. He's 16 months old, so hits the first word. Ow! And he does tricks like, come on. And then go down and come up. Good boy. And 1, 2, 3, go. No people, no dogs. Good boy. Good boy. Come on, Hopi. Go. Go. Good boy. Mwah. Are you thirsty? Good boy, Hoppy. You like him? Yeah. Okay, Hope. Do you want to go fly one more time? It's getting now dark and the sun's set. Just set. Let's go home and eat dinner. Yeah, go fly. 1, 2, 3, go! Nice! Oh! Good boy! Good boy! Oh! Yeah! He's so fast. Don't land on kids!
That scares me. I mean, it's a really cute bird.
Thank you.
What's his name?
His name is Hope. I love you too.
Happy?
Hope.
Hope?
Hope. His name is Hope. Hi guys, you want to see my bird?
What type of bird is he?
He's a macaw. This is the biggest macaws are the biggest parrot from the parrot family. Ow! Hey, that hurts. Go fly. 1, 2, 3, go.
You have to spin him.
Good boy. Oh! He's excited.
Stay high.
Good boy, Hoppy. Come on.
I went to the zoo before. A few groups to go see birds.
Oh.
And whenever the bird, they brought like a bird that actually attacks.
Oh.
And he was in his cage. But he broke free from his cage. But the place that they were all at, it was like in this big building.
Oh.
So the bird like broke out. And I forgot what they said. It's like stay low or stay high around birds. I think it was stay low.
Stay low probably. You can't stay high around birds.
Yeah. I'm like, I think it was like stay low because they can like hurt you.
Oh.
I don't know what bird it was.
Hello.
It's so pretty ass.
Oh, there's a drone.
It's a drone.
A little baby drone. Hope you see the drone?
Excuse me?
Yes.
Can you take a picture of
Yeah. Go ahead. Yes.
Let it fly.
Hey, stop it. No. Can you sit
My
right?
bird's skipping.
Hoppy, can you come here? Here. Sit. Just sit. Oh, that's a duck. Uh-huh.
What's happening here?
Hoppy, come. Good boy. Hoppy, you want to go fly again?
Yeah, go fly.
Go fly. 1, 2, 3, go. No kids, baby. He's a macaw. He's a hybrid macaw though, a Catalina macaw. Yeah, they're kind of rare.
South America?
South America.
Okay.
Do you want to go fly again?
Jake, watch the bird fly.
All right, come on. 1, 2, 3, go.
Lots of these little...
Good boy. Oh, what are they? Ravens. They're ravens. Hoppy, come in. Oh, he's watching the ravens. Hoppy, come on, come down. Come on, baby. One more round, he's coming down. Come on, baby. Come down. Come down. Oh. Come on. Good boy. Come here. Here am I. Good boy. That was quite a landing. Good. 1, 2, 3, go. Hi.
Branson, come here.
Oh. Oh! Come on, baby. Come on. Nice. Thank you.
Watch out for hawks.
Thank you. It's free for a drink. Oh, so thirsty. So thirsty, baby birdie. Oh, so thirsty. Oh, flying makes thirsty, huh? Flapping your wings makes thirsty. 1, 2. Hey, 1, 2, 3, go! Good boy, come on, come on. Come here, baby, come. Nice, nice.
He looks so soft.
Huh?
He looks so soft.
Yeah, he is soft. Logang, ow! Oh, that's awesome.
Are you like a vlogger?
What?
Are you like a vlogger?
Yeah, I'm also on YouTube. Oh,
What's your video?
Carolyn Von Petzold. Carolyn Von Petzold, that's my name. And and I have a lot of parrot stuff. And he's free flight trained, so he flies and he comes back. Right, Hoppy? But he's more excited than my girl for 6 than to fly. And he do tricks. 1, 2, 3. Last flight. Go fly. Ah! Good boy, Hoppy. Woo! Good boy! So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.